There's a simple item sitting in grocery store aisles right now that most gardeners pass by without a second thought. It's cheap, easy to find, and often overlooked in the rush to grab compost bags or fertilizers. Yet this forgotten item has the power to wake up lifeless soil, bring back earthworms in droves, and feed the microbes that make your garden truly come alive. The truth is, many gardeners think soil revival requires complicated methods, fancy amendments, or long waiting times. But as you're about to see, this one overlooked ingredient works faster than most commercial products and does so in a natural, sustainable way. If you want a shortcut to rich living soil that responds in days rather than months, this is a trick worth knowing, and worth using. When most people think of the grocery store, they imagine food for the table, not food for the soil. Yet for centuries, farmers and gardeners quietly leaned on simple kitchen ingredients to keep soil healthy. These weren't expensive fertilizers, but everyday staples that doubled as fuel for soil biology. Today, the gardening shelves are filled with glossy products promising miracles, but the truth is the biology of soil hasn't changed. Microbes still thrive on simple sugars, organic matter, and trace minerals, the same things hidden in plain sight at the grocery store. The trick we're talking about here is unsulfured blackstrap molasses, the thick dark syrup often stocked near baking supplies. While many think of it only as an old-fashioned sweetener, gardeners who rediscover its value find it's nothing short of a soil elixir. Why does it work so well? Because molasses is loaded with natural sugars and minerals that soil microbes crave. Instead of feeding plants directly, it feeds the tiny underground workforce that transforms organic matter into humus. And when microbes are thriving, worms follow close behind. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a living community where bacteria, fungi, and earthworms all play different roles. When soil becomes tired, compacted, or stripped from overuse, it's often because this community has run out of food. Without a steady food source, microbes slow down, fungi retreat, and worms migrate elsewhere. So, molasses works as an immediate infusion of energy. Its sugars provide quick fuel for bacteria, which begin multiplying almost overnight. These bacteria then attract protozoa, which graze on them, releasing plant-available nutrients as waste. At the same time, the minerals in molasses, such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron, add a trace nutrient boost. This microbial explosion signals worms that the buffet is open. Worms follow the activity, drawn to the increased microbial density. And once they arrive, they further accelerate the cycle by digesting and casting nutrients back into the soil. The result is a visible change in the soil structure. Within days, a hard patch of compacted ground feels looser. Within weeks, you may notice more worm tunnels, more crumbly texture, and a darker color as humus begins to form. The beauty of this method is that it requires almost no special equipment. The easiest way is to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsulfured blackstrap molasses in a gallon of water, stirring until fully dissolved. This mixture can then be poured directly around garden beds over compost piles or onto raised beds. Applied every 2 to 3 weeks, it provides a steady stream of microbial fuel without overwhelming the soil system. For gardeners who already brew compost tea, molasses is often the secret ingredient that transforms a weak brew into a thriving microbial soup. By adding it during the brewing process, you provide the exact energy source microbes need to multiply while suspended in the aerated water. Another overlooked trick is using molasses to rehydrate mulch or leaf litter layers. By diluting molasses in water and soaking straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves, you effectively jumpstart decomposition. To test just how effective this trick is, we tracked changes across several beds. In compacted areas that had resisted worm activity for months, one application of diluted molasses showed worm trails within a week. By the second application, worm counts had doubled. While the immediate microbial burst is impressive, honestly, the long-term impact is even more valuable. Repeated applications of molasses encourage the development of stable humus. Humus is the end product of decomposition, that dark sponge-like material that holds water and nutrients like a reservoir. What this all shows is that, gardening doesn't always require complexity. Sometimes the simplest overlooked solutions are actually the most powerful. Molasses isn't new, it isn't high-tech, but it is deeply effective, and those who rediscover it often find themselves with richer soil, more worms, and stronger plants. The secret isn't in feeding the plant directly, but in fueling the unseen life beneath the soil. That's where true fertility begins, and, well, that's where molasses works its quiet magic. If you've ever struggled with tired soil, compacted beds, or compost that just refuses to break down, this grocery store trick is honestly the shortcut you've been missing. It costs almost nothing, it works fast, and it builds lasting fertility by partnering with nature's own systems. Don't overlook what's hiding on the shelf between baking syrups. Because in the garden, it may be the difference between lifeless dirt and thriving, living soil. For more deep dives into soil-building secrets and forgotten gardening methods that actually work, subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this guide with a fellow gardener. The more we spread these natural, low-cost solutions, the more resilient and abundant our gardens will become.